Whoa. Darling, whoa, darling, whoa, darling, whoa, hey, whoa. Darling, you're so wonderful, stunning beauty can't erase you out of my mind. I got just dance, darling, you're so wonderful. Stunning beauty can't erase you out of my mind. I got just dance. Now you are away for a while. Only memory that is left in my mind about the places we used to go, girl. Spectacular place we have been. Sightseeing at Lover's Sleep. Underneath the moonlight at Maran Point. We go swimming, scuba diving at Otirayas. Hiking at Blue Mountain Peak, sometimes Castletown. What a time we used to have. Darling, you're so wonderful. Stunning beauty can't erase you out of my mind. God just dance. Darling, you're so wonderful. Stunning beauty can't erase you out of my mind. God just dance. I long to hold you in my arms. Feel the heat from the flame of your romance. Drive this cold vibe that haunted me and set me free. A storing up the love in my heart for your fantastic loving, bubbling. Come rescue me and set me free. Whoa, darling, you're so wonderful. Stunning beauty can't erase you out of my mind. I can't just dance. Darling, you're so wonderful. Stunning.
All right, the music current is shocking on Natty Beech. Oh, you beat me, I tell you. Pick up yourself, Natty Beech. We are see that the energy still there. Hey, this is our vibe on the 100% talent show. Yeah, you know it got. All right, General, what you have to say about Natty Beech? You be excited, watch it. The current still a shocking, huh?
No, you see Natty Beech, you know. The man is a full faith entertainer. You over the me I deal with. Yeah, so big up yourself, Bobo. You know, it's always a joy anytime we see the eye. Always make the
Hey,
eye
Kisha, don't move.
joy.
Kisha, Las
See me I
Vegas.
deal with? Yeah, man. So big up yourself. Your body in your own unique way. You over the me I deal with. Talent in overdrive. Million.
All right, the band singing for the beautiful Empress them inside the house. So, Kisha, you have to say something about that one there.
This reminds me of the old school love, you know? Just cruising and it's natural and it's pure. I like it.
It's
I
nice.
like it. And it's unusual because I'm thinking because the last time I get a backflip and a two flip and a whatever maybe, I'm not expecting something so conscious and that can connect so well. So I liked it. Very good.
Hey,
Very
may I
good,
tell you,
Natty.
yeah, you have the movements too, you know. Hey, Tash, what do you think about this song? Hey, trust me, Bobo, hey, the current kicking same way.
Take my breath away. Darling, oh my gosh. I've never heard a man say darling so passionate. And him do it from the guts to die from. Daddy, you're gone a road. Me want to pay your mind.
You're excited. All right, so big it up, Natty Beech. Big up yourself. Remember, don't leave. Remember, we have some ticket to give you, you know what I mean, to give your fans them so them can keep voting to keep you in this competition.